From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Grades to access the Grades tool. You can also access the Grades tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Grades link on your course navbar. From the Grades tool, select Setup Wizard under the top navigation bar. The Setup Wizard includes a 7-step process to help guide you through initial gradebook configuration. This includes grading system, which defines the overall grading system for your course. Options are weighted, points, or formulas. Final grade released. You can set the final grade to be released automatically based on one of the following: calculated and adjusted. Grade calculations. Drop ungraded items or treat them as a 0. You can also set for the final grade to be automatically adjusted when changes are made to grade items or calculation options. Choosing default grading scheme. Based on available grading schemes in your course. This can be institutional defaults or custom course schemes. For more information on schemes, please refer to the Grades Tool Schemes article. Manage View Display Options. This setting controls how many decimals will be displayed to the user. The value must be an integer between 0 and 5. Student View Display Options. Control what learners view, including grade details, decimal places, characters displayed for comments, and final grade calculation. Grade Setup Summary. Review settings and click Finish to save. The Setup Wizard can be accessed at any time to adjust the configurations if a change is required.